Alright, good morning Philippines, good morning Western Visayas, good morning province of Antique, good morning people of municipality of Hamtik Antique. Ngayong umaga mga ka-reels, andito po tayo sa Malandog Estuary, Barangay Malandog, Hamtik Antique, kung saan mga ka-reels makikita natin ang iba't ibang agency. Kasama na dyan ang hanay ng mga Bureau of Fire Protection, the Philippine National Police, the Philippine Army Reservist, student of St. Anthony's College, other volunteers organizations, provincial government employees, municipal employees of Hamtik Antique, joint fraternities, force multipliers, and PNP personnel of Antique Provincial Police Office, headed by Police Lieutenant Colonel Joseph Puno, under the leadership of Provincial Director Police Colonel Ebrans, with the active support of a Municipal Mayor Honorable Janjan Pacificador, Municipality Mayor of Municipal of Hamtik Antique, at ang tema po ay supports the 2023 International Coastal Cleanup Drive in the province of Antique. Of course, with the supports of Rotary Club of Antique and Rotary Club of San Juan del Monte, with the Rotaract and Interact of province of Antique, at Barangay Malandog River Coastal Cleanup Drive, Estuary and Clean Seas or Beach for Healthy Fisheries. Ayan po yung mga taong kung nakikitain dyan, ayan po, ang dami nila, siksikan po yan, ayan po. Diyan na rin po yung nakatayo yung mga malalaki natin mga datos, statue of datos. Ayan po, maya ay mag-umpisa na po yung pagkaroon ng cleanup drive. Ayan guys, so maraming salamat guys and thank you so much. At antabayan po ang iba pa nating mga reels na i-share. So please don't forget to share. Ayan guys, yung mga kasama natin mga active PNP service sumama din sa coastal cleanup. Ayan guys, ready na po ang lahat para mag-upisa mamaya yung coastal cleanup dyan po sa harap ng river. Ayan guys, so shoutout po sa lahat ng tumulong at naging member at naging bahagi ito ng isang magandang International Coastal Cleanup Drive in the province of Antique. Ayan po, so salamat po guys at sana patuloy ang ating pag-support sa ating reels. So magandang umaga po sa lahat and good morning to everyone.
Wow!